Hi everyone, hope you're well. This is CoinsKid here. We have been targeting a breakout on 1 inch here, and we just want to bring you an update on 1 inch. It has broke out of our symmetrical triangle that we have been targeting. We did say in the channel here that when you usually come up into these symmetrical triangles, it is a continuation pattern, and we have come out of it really nicely here. And we have come out of it really nicely here for 1 inch, and as you can see, we did break out, okay, and we did back test it as support, which is confluence, you know, that we didn't fall back into it. So that's really good, really strong for 1 inch, guys. I congratulate all of you that are involved in 1 inch and have been following the channel here. So it's looking good, it's looking good. So we formed this bullish cross on the 4-hourly time frame as well for 1 inch, just there, which is really strong, really good, and you can see it's given us that surge up. We have wicked out at that level there, so at the moment that is a bit of a small level. So just at the moment that level there is acting as a bit of a level of resistance as we've moved up, and that is at 481. So it's had a massive pump and it's just correcting right now, okay? So you may be looking at, like we do in the channel, that's an impulsive move. We've gone up there and we're looking at a corrective wave at the moment. But what we'll do, we've just dropped some fib levels on it right now. So there's a couple of ways you can target the outbreak target point of a symmetrical triangle. It's usually from where the symmetrical triangle touches the bottom of the formation of the triangle. So you know, in here we sort of hit the triangle, we've started to form a symmetrical triangle there, and then we came down there and hit the bottom of it, and that gives you your target of your breakout. So potentially, yeah, we're looking just breaking up towards the previous high there, towards that high of the previous high for 1 inch. So yeah, it's bang on, literally. So we do look like the pattern is working and that it's forming, and we are looking for that breakout up to that previous high, guys, on 1 inch. But I don't think we'll necessarily get there straight away. We are going to hit some levels of resistance on the way, so I'll just drop a price target there for you, okay? So we're looking to push on towards that level there, okay? But what we're going to come up against is a level of resistance as we do creep up towards that previous high. So what we do, you know how we do it in the channel, we're going to drop the Fibonacci retracement tool on this. So you know that was our top there, and that was our bottom just there in this whole retracement. So as you can see, what we'll do, put that there. So we'll drop that target there because that's current resistance at the moment. So what we're doing there is that you can see that we went up like this, we've come back down, okay, and then we're pushing up and hopefully towards the upside there. We have back tested the trend line, the resistance line of a symmetrical triangle as support. We've moved up, which is great. We have formed that bullish cross there on the 4-hourly time frame, which again is great. So what we're doing now is potentially targeting these Fibonacci levels as we move up, okay? You can see we hit our head on the ceiling there of that 050. Okay, but we did push through it. And we was pushing towards a 0.618, which is a golden ratio. If we can break through that, then you know we will get up to that level, because this is a high level of resistance. Okay, you'll see it in a retracement on the way up, you'll see it in a retracement on the way down, and it's just a high level of resistance. It's called the golden ratio, and usually you see things bounce off that really nicely. Okay, so potentially you're looking at that level of resistance around here, fight a little bit before pushing on to that previous high. So at the moment you can see we may fall back. We may be looking at a corrective move of a lower time frame here, okay, which we will target in a moment. You may be looking at a retrace there, and we may come back down to this 0.382, which is currently set at $4.25, just as a retest, and that may actually catch up with the EMA as well there, guys. So you may see the EMA creep up, you may see the price come down, bounce off the EMA before we push up, break this 0.5 with power, with volume, because you can see the volume that coming now in that move. So we get, every time you break these levels, okay, you'll see the volume coming as well, just to push you through those levels, because obviously this is where pro traders are targeting these buy and sell points, okay? So that's where you see a lot of the fighting going on. So we'll push up, and then obviously we're going to fight around there before we're moving on again. But what we can do on a smaller time frame is target a lower level impulsive and corrective move on the Fibonacci retracement. So we'll drop that long-term Fibonacci off. So what we could be looking at here on the 4-hourly time frame here, guys, is the next impulsive move. Okay, so we had this impulsive move here off this bottom. Yeah, okay, it looks like that was an impulsive move and a corrective wave there. You know how we do it on the channel. Impulsive wave, corrective wave. You can see with a corrective wave we bounce off the 0.5, okay, and then we started to form this next impulsive move. You can see it's kind of run out of steam a bit though, so we would like to see some more volume. So what we're going to do is just move this up here off this corrective wave, okay, and that could potentially see where your target is on this next impulsive move that's being formed now. So at the moment you could potentially say that we are looking for another surge up for 1 inch and take us above $5 up to that price target there, okay, if this is the next impulsive move, guys, on the 4 hourly time frame. So that's definitely something to target, okay. Hopefully we don't fall back down and retest this trend line here, this support line. You know, what you may see, like I said to you, is the EMA creeping up, and then the 55 creeping up as well. This bullish cross giving it power onwards and upwards to those previous highs up there is $6.35 for 1 inch, guys. Okay, so that's 1 inch. I hope you enjoyed that video today. Just a quick rundown of potentially what's happening going forward for 1 inch and the support and resistance levels there for 1 inch. So it's all good. It's all good. We broke out, back tested the support, moving on, moving up. It's all good. So yeah, just please do like the video and smash that subscription button and come and join the Telegram group if you're not already in there, guys. All good. 1 inch to the moon. Catch you later. Bye bye.